The JOG Home Limits panel allows us to energize and test the motor. We are connected, our motion enable input is good, so then we can enable and we can go to the jog and jog the motor in the positive or in the negative direction. If we run into a limit switch, it'll turn red. Green is good, so we're able to jog in either direction. When we hit a limit switch, it'll just stop the motor. It doesn't disable the motor. We still have a holding torque, so it's vertical. You're not going to disable the motor. This setup allows you to disable the limit switches temporarily. If you want to permanently save those to the configuration, you can do that here rather than having to go back into the configuration wizard. You can zero the position here as well too. And then if you want to test for homing, if you have a home switch wired in, you can go start in the home positive or the home negative direction for the starting direction. And then for the home setup, this is where we set the velocity and the acceleration and the deceleration. Optionally, you can also back up to the home switch and back up to the positive edge of the switch or the negative side of the home switch, and then the final direction defines if you want to approach that edge of the switch in either the positive or the negative direction, so it takes it up in the hysteresis in your mechanics, so you get a much more repeatable home position. And then if you have the terminal emulator open in the background, that allows you to see some of the Acro Basic commands when you're clicking on those buttons, actually what is being sent to the controller. And we'll get more into the Acro Basic commands later in another video, but yeah, so that's the JOG Home Limits panel. It's a simple single axis jog panel. Thanks.